How to rename all files in a folder in Windows 10 computer is shown in this video. So you must select all files and press F2. Suppose in your computer you can see here the new folder 4 is here, and I'm going to open this folder, and here you can see some documents. That is a Microsoft Word document mentioned fat, then a notepad document, a media one, an Excel document version, and I select all these. I'm going to select all these by dragging the mouse. I select all these three, and after that I'm going to go to my keyboard, and I'm going to press the F2 button here like this, and now you can see that it appears here like this, and I'm going to rename here by typing hi or whatever we want. I'm going to type here hello, HELLO. Now if I click the mouse, you can see that everything have been changed to hello. Similarly, if we select all these three, and if I am going to press the F2 button once again like here in the keyboard, and I am going to type here nice, you can see that all these documents will have been changed. Hope you understood how to rename all files in a folder in Windows 10. For more videos like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.